If you're having trouble receiving or using your Facebook login code, try the solutions. First, go ahead and check your internet connection. Turn off Wi-Fi and then turn it on again, and try switching between your Wi-Fi and mobile data. A weak internet connection can delay the delivery of verification codes. Then check your messages or email. Ensure that your phone has a good network signal. If you're using email, check your spam or junk folder and wait for 30 to 60 seconds for the code to arrive. You can also try resending the code. On the login screen of your login portal, tap on Didn't Get a Code, tap on Resend, and you can resend the code every 30 seconds. And you can also use a different login method. You can click on Try Another Way and use email instead of your phone number or vice versa. And always verify the time and date settings. Incorrect time settings can cause codes to fail. So go to your phone settings and then scroll down and tap on General Management. From this page, go to Date and Time and make sure that the toggle is switched on of automatic date and time. If your SIM card has SIM blocking, roaming turned off, or spam filter enabled, you may not receive codes. So turn off SMS blocking, spam blocking, and do not disturb mode. Also check the Facebook app permissions. Go to Settings, then scroll all the way down and go to Apps. From here, simply search for Facebook or Facebook Lite application, whatever you're using. From this page, go to Permissions and make sure that you've given all the permissions to this app, especially the SMS notification and contact permissions. This can help with verification code delivery. And use a browser instead of app. Sometimes codes do not work in the app. So try logging in from the Chrome, Safari, or Firefox, whatever is installed on your device, and clear the cache. Go to Settings, find Apps, click on Facebook, scroll down, go to Storage, click on Clear Cache, come back, try force stopping this application and re-enable it again. And if you've logged in before on another phone or computer, try logging in from that device. Facebook might skip the login code requirement. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.